Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I'm going to share you another Dollarama haul. Remember I said I had several hauls here I need to show you. I still have like 2 or 3 here on the floor that I'll be uploading. I just want to get it all put away because this Christmas stuff is taking over my craft room. So anyway, I'm going to get right into it. And yes, I have the same clothes on, okay? Because all these videos are being done in one afternoon. So anyway, so I bought these padded envelopes. They're $1.25 and you get 2. And I bought these were back from when we did the collab. So that's how long this stuff has been sitting on my floor. So I thought I'd get it unpacked so I can clean up my room a little bit so I can feel better when I'm crafting. So I bought these envelopes. They are, it just says size 4 and they're 9.5 by 13 1/6. So that's those, and they were great to send out packages, and they are bubble, so they are padded, which is great. I bought this wrist cushion. During the pandemic, my office was down here, and I'd have to tell you, it was easy to separate the two. It really was. Just in case my boss is watching. But the pad that I have over there really hurt my wrist, and sometimes I worked from the kitchen table. So I really needed to get some more wrist support because I do have, my right wrist is really bad. It was a work-related incident, so so I bought this to see how it works. It was only $3.50, so we'll give it a try and see what it's like. It's memory foam. Of course, come on, guys. You know I bought these. And you know when I buy these, I buy at least 4. Well, there's only this bag left, so anyway, shows you how long it's been here. I bought some more jumbo paper clips, and when my niece, it's Jenna, when she was here, she was doing her Halloween stuff. She used up all my paper clips, so I wanted to replenish them for her, and they're just the multicolor ones. I went to the Dollarama that was by Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts, and I went to her Dollarama, and I found, I think all this stuff may have came from, no, this is a mixture. This is a mixture of Dollaramas. But I found this tape. I just love this tape. And of course, the Crafty Sensei, where I'm a martial artist. And I just love this stuff. So I fell in love with it. So I bought that. It didn't have a price on it. So I think she gave it to me for like $1. I don't know. But anyway, she was a sweetheart. Then I got this Tacky Glue. I wanted to try the Dollarama glue, and we're coming into the second wave. Hopefully it doesn't, affect us bad. But I wanted to get some stock in here of some stuff that I know I can't go out and get. So I said, I'm going to try this Dollarama glue. So $1.25, can't go wrong. It was 4 ounces, which is 118 milliliters. I saw some crafts that you had to use some modeling clay, and when you go through videos, you're like, oh, I gotta do that. Then you get to another video, oh, I gotta do that. Oh, I gotta do that. Well, that's what I did. And now I don't remember what it was for. I really don't remember what it was for. But anyway, I bought some so I could have it on hand. $2, and it doesn't give you a size. So anyway, it's a big block. Pretty thick. So anyway, I just got it in white. And if I have to, I'll just paint it. Berry picks. I love working with berry picks. It's my my favorite thing now when I do the altered frames and all that stuff. And so I bought the, more pink because I used a lot of the pink in the last ones. And you get 24 pieces, and they were $1.25 each, and they have like a variety of colors. A repurchase is the Leaves ribbon. This one is like a metallic gold with the leaves, and then this one is just your regular silver. And I just love adding this onto things, and so I thought I'll just get some, put it back into my my cupboard, and you get 2.5 centimeters by 2 meters, so that's quite a bit. I found these Post-it notes. They're super sticky, $2.50, and they were black. Thought I got some of that chalk stuff. I mean, it might be cool to put little notes or something on it, so thought I would give that a try. Anyway, they're cute, and it might be cute to put on Happy Mail or something like that and do it that way. I don't have index cards, or some people call them recipe cards and that. And so these ones I got, there's 4 colors per pack. There's 100 ruled cards. Of course, the back is plain, so the other side would be the ruled side. And you get yellow, green, pink, and blue. So I didn't have any. If I do have any, they're white. So I thought having the colored ones would be better. Designer paper, I've already hauled these before. They're 6x6. They're $1.25 per pack, and you get 12 designs and 2 sheets per design. And they're just really super pretty. I just love these, and they're really good for Happy Mail. I think with the collab that I was in, I gifted one of these away with that. I bought some of these green flowers. I just love that green. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just so pretty. It's a paper flower, and it was $1.25. And then string LED lights. I have put some lights up here in my craft room, up to that side that you won't be able to see. But I wanted to put another string somewheres here and there. I just love it. My husband walked in when I had them on. He goes, "Oh my God, that's so pretty." And we turned the lights out, and it really illuminated the craft room. It was really pretty. Then I bought, these are repurchased. I'm not sure I got this color before, but I think I may have, but I know that I had these colors. So they have, they're paper flowers, again, $1.25, and you get 6 pieces, and they have the little wire stem on it, and they have the gold brushing on the edges, sporadically over the edges and that. So love those flowers. I just love it. Dollarama is really coming into some good stuff, I have to tell you. Now I'm looking at my hair there. Sorry. I'm seeing this little bobble thing going. So scrub the scouring pads, and they're 4x6, and they're $1.25, and you get 8 in here. And I use those a lot, and of course you throw them out after so much because everything sticks to it. I have to tell you, for texture wise, I have a lot of pet peeves. Maybe I'll have to do a separate video about that. I hate the feel of these. I hate it because if I have like something on my finger, like a paper cut or something, and it oh God, I can't stand touching it. But I'll use them if I have to scrub with them. But anyway, yeah. Ugh. And then I got these gel pens. I really like writing. I have gel pens in the different colors. I love using those, but when I write on the back of a memory dex card, I really love using black gel pens. I don't know what it is, but that's what I like to use. Other than, you have to wait till they dry before you start doing anything, or you smear it and smudge it all over the place. And the last few things for this video, memo pads, and they were $1.25 each, and just regular pads like that. I like, when I'm watching your guys' videos, writing down things. If you guys have said something to remind me. I have notes everywhere. At work, I have Post-it notes everywhere. They're pieces of paper. Instead of recycling paper and throwing it out in the recycling bin, I actually take the paper, fold it in half, and use the back side. I reuse that paper over and over and over. And I'm telling you, it's stuffed in every single pocket that I have. That notes, after I'm watching your guys' videos, I write down notes. Okay, that's what I want to do next. That's what I want to do next. I might not get to any of that stuff, but I write everything down, and that's what these are for. And maybe I'll decorate them. Maybe. And the last thing, again, and it's just the same thing. I just like having notepads, and I think I might have bought this for work. So anyway, but to put over on my desk in case the pandemic gets worse than what it is, then I'll have a little notepad. I just love using notepads. So that is all I have for this haul. I will share with you guys the other hauls that I have. Thanks guys for watching and sticking with me through my haul, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.